How would it feel to know that no matter what life threw at you, what circumstances you found yourself in, or what connections you had, you could confidently call in consistent revenue and cash flow? Hey there, I'm Michelle Terpstra, Master Sales Coach and Sales Leadership Mentor for entrepreneurs. And in this video, I am going to share the secret that corporate sales leaders have been leveraging for years that can absolutely change the game for you as an entrepreneur. In 2017, I was ready to return to the corporate sales world after a 5-year extended maternity leave. I hopped on LinkedIn, quickly identified some excellent connections, pitched myself, interviewed, and negotiated a lucrative compensation package. The results? I walked away with not one, but 3 offers. How did this happen? No, it wasn't sheer luck. It was because of the power of sales leadership. I knew not only what I needed to say, but who I needed to be in order to secure those opportunities. Well, I now love being an entrepreneur rather than working for a big company. My years in corporate sales taught me countless lessons about what it really means to be a sales leader. And unfortunately, I've noticed that no one in the entrepreneurial world is talking about it. Well, I now love being an entrepreneur rather than working for a big company. My years in corporate sales taught me countless lessons about what it really means to be a sales leader. Being a powerful sales leader means that you can call in consistent revenue and cash flow with ease, regardless of what you sell or the environment in which you sell it. Whether the world is in fantastic economic times or something like, a pandemic hits, you know that you have the skill set to find prospects, build relationships, and convert them into clients. I have experienced the power of sales leadership throughout my life, and now I am dedicated to helping entrepreneurs to realize that their sales success doesn't depend on someone else doing sales for them. I believe that everyone can become a sales leader. And the beauty is that once you do, you'll feel a safe, confident independence that comes from knowing that you always have what you need to achieve the income level you're shooting for. So what is a sales leader? By definition, a sales leader is someone who identifies hot leads, engages in authentic relationships, and masterfully handle sales conversations that lead to massive income and impact. Did you notice what wasn't part of the definition? A sales leader isn't someone who knows how to apply enough pressure to get people to buy. A sales leader isn't someone who uses fear and deception to get new clients. And a sales leader isn't someone who focuses just on revenue numbers. A true sales leader is someone who enters the marketplace ready to add value, initiate conversations, and to make massive impact in the lives of the people they sell to. That is how they make an incredible income. The problem with so many sales trainings I see today is that they focus more on the tips and tricks to simply help close sales rather than focusing on the person and leader you need to become to master those skills. This does you a great disservice because it only offers you a small piece of the sales success puzzle. Through my work in Fortune 500 companies, as well as a master sales coach with hundreds of clients, I have identified 6 principles that you need to have mastered in order to become a powerful sales leader. Let's go over all 6 of them quickly. Just so you know, I am going to be doing a full series to go more in depth on each of these 6 core principles. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button to be notified the moment each new video comes out. The first principle that every sales leader follows is that they are dedicated to creating massive impact through their offers. This is so important because by creating offers that are impact driven, sales leaders are able to instantly grow their confidence by truly believing in what they are selling. Because their offers lead to such transformation, they're able to leverage powerful client testimonials in their sales conversations as social proof to help people make empowered decisions to work with them. The outcome? A selling process that is reflective of their offer. Their prospects feel supported, encouraged, motivated, and empowered the whole way through. Sales leaders are dedicated to impact, and that shows through how they sell, as well as how they help people to get results. You'll know you're growing in this principle as a sales leader when objection handling doesn't feel scary, because you know that your results speak to any objection a prospect might have thought about. The second principle that every sales leader follows is that they are organized and understand how to prioritize their leads to move opportunities from hello to closed swiftly. This is so important because opportunity tracking helps predict revenue consistently, and sales leaders are able to make profit-first decisions based on projected revenue and growth goals. The outcome? A lead management system that helps keep track of conversations, identify opportunities, and save time selling. You'll know you're growing in this principle as a sales leader when you can make empowered financial decisions, feeling confident in your projected income and sales. The third principle that every sales leader follows is that they are accountable to money-making tasks and prioritize this time daily. This is so important because strategic discipline keeps revenue growing and sales goals easily achieved. They are wise to their energy flows and know exactly how to stay consistent in their business. The outcome? An energizing daily sales action plan that is minimalistic yet powerful to maintain growth targets without burnout. You'll know you're growing in this principle as a sales leader when you can kindly decline invitations that take you away from your daily money-making activities. The fourth principle is that every sales leader develops win-win relationships with clients, contractors, strategic partners, and other professionals that will help them grow and enjoy their business. This is so important because relationships are the catalyst to rapid business growth. The outcome? Conversations become easy, fun, and profitable. You feel confident in all types of communication, written, video, voice, and face-to-face. You'll know you're growing in this principle as a sales leader when you seek out coffee chats, sales calls, new business partners, and networking opportunities. The fifth principle is that every sales leader is confident in being influential. This is so important because this is the key to gaining buy-in on your ideas, products, vision, mission, and services. The outcome? They attract high-quality clients with their messaging, gracefully navigate buyer hesitation, and are sought after as a thought leader. You'll know you're growing in this principle as a sales leader when you confidently share stories to showcase your expertise, programs, and services. The sixth and last principle is that every sales leader is seen as irresistible. This is so important because this is key to creating delightful buying experiences. The outcome? They feel filled with confidence and gracefully invite the right clients to work with them in an ethical and empathetic way. This approach creates a buying experience that results in better results and higher client satisfaction. You'll know you're growing in this principle as a sales leader when you receive referrals, positive reviews, and are invited to join other communities as a thought leader. It's obvious that sales leadership is the key to not just selling more stuff, but honing the skills you need to be able to find prospects, build relationships, and close sales in a powerful way that leads to massive impact for you and the people that you work with. If you want to learn more about the 6 principles all powerful sales leaders possess and to implement them into your life and business, then you need to stick around for my sales leadership series. I'll be diving into each of the principles and helping you to uncover the secrets to becoming a sales leader people can't wait to buy from. So if you haven't already, click that subscribe button so you can be notified as soon as each video comes out. In the meantime, let me know in the comments, which principle of sales leadership do you most want to develop right now? I can't wait to hear your next step.